If you've experienced the darkness of life, suffering in the past, trauma, pain, loss, and as you revisit the earlier chapters of life, it's just heavy. And you're like, you know what? There's gotta be something more to life than the pain I've experienced. But for some reason, no matter how hard you try or what you do, you just simply can't break through. You can't break free from the past. You can't break free from the limitations. You can't break free from the trauma and the stories, and you want to, then I've got some good news for you. This book, The Promise, is the only book you need to break free from the past, to have your breakthrough, okay, and to get from where you are now to where you want to be. This book right over here, I witnessed firsthand the principles, the concepts, and the techniques from the book transform lives from people that I've known for the longest time to strangers that I've met. I've seen the concepts here. People come in with a lot of pain, they walk out after learning principles from here, and they have a completely new outlook in life. They have a completely new light, new hope, new confidence, something new that they didn't have before. And this book right here, the concepts here, is the fastest path to transform and transmute and heal the pain of the past, so it no longer holds you back. It no longer disempowers you. It no longer debilitates you. Instead, you can take all that stuff, heal it, love it, leave it in the past, and step into your next chapter in life. A chapter where you're more confident, where there's more love, where there's more hope and joy, laughter, more magic, more abundance, right? You're thriving instead of struggling. There's magic in each moment again. That's your second chapter. That's your next chapter. And that's what The Promise gets you to. It gets you from where you are now to where you want to be, breaking free from the past and embracing the light of your soul and divine story here. It guides you through that, takes you step by step. It's a 7-step process in this book. But the cool thing is, no matter where you're from, what you've experienced, or what you've already tried, these 7 steps will get you there if you practice it, if you take it to heart, and if you start embodying it. So if you haven't yet, go ahead, grab this book now. Click the link that you see here on the video, follow the instructions, grab the book now. It's going to change your life radically and in the most amazing ways. I've seen it happen firsthand from people that I love, from strangers, and I so deeply wish for the same to happen for you. So right now, while it's still fresh in your mind, go ahead and grab The Promise. It's gonna change your life, and it's gonna be a book that you're gonna keep with you at all times. After you read it the first time, you're not gonna wanna put it down. You're gonna want it everywhere you go because it's gonna inspire you, it's gonna motivate you, it's gonna transform you, and it's going to heal you.